Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for the District of Columbia, Montgomery County, Central Maryland, City of Fairfax in Northern Virginia, City of Falls Church in Northern Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for the District of Columbia, Montgomery County in Central Maryland, City of Fairfax in Northern Virginia, City of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, City of Manassas in Northern Virginia, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, City of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia, Harford County in Northern Maryland, Baltimore County in Northern Maryland, City of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia, Northern Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Baltimore City in Northern Maryland, Northwestern Arundel County in Central Maryland, Howard County in Central Maryland, Southeastern Loudoun County in Northern Virginia, East Central Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, until 4:30 a.m. Thursday at 10:21 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates that up to 2 inches of rain has already fallen across portions of the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches can be expected. Radar shows bands of heavy rain will impact the warned area through midnight. Additional areas of heavy rain are expected to develop ahead of a strong cold front approaching the area. The front will sweep east of the region by dawn. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses and other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Act quickly if flash flooding is observed. Move to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Most flash flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Flood water usually is deeper than it appears. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. Make the smart choice when flooded roads are encountered. Turn around